Alright, wanted to do a install in the Vitality Mods Flatline RDA. I have the black one here. Just wanted to show how easy it is to install coils in this thing. So I got it on my atomizer stand. And you'll see flatheads, and for those that don't know this, you can cut the leads from underneath. Now I like to just cut the leads before I install, so I'm going to show you how I do that. But you are able to cut the leads underneath, like the dead rabbit or the drop RDAs, quite like that. Now I'm going to take a flathead. These are spring loaded, and when I bring them up, you're going to see that the clamps are beveled. They have angles on them. Alright, you see them there? Angled a bit. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is get my coil ready. So I am going to want to have my leads on the same plane. So what I'm going to do is make an L shape out of this coil with the leads. Then I'm going to take needle noses in the back, grab one of the leads, and push the lead up, and that's going to put my leads on the same plane. Then I'm going to put the coil onto my coil jig. Now these are fuse claptons 2536. Alright, I wanted to do a coil that is more a coil that everybody uses, right? I didn't want to put big coils in here, big Fralians or aliens, because most likely most people are going to be using round wire or fuse claptons for the most part. So I just wanted to show regular coil install in the Flatline RDA. So there you go. I just cut it even with the coil tool. I'm going to get my Flatline RDA. Alright, and literally just slip it in there. There's holes in the posts where it's going to go down into. You can see them there, so if they were too long I'd be able to cut them. So we got one coil in. Now we're going to take another coil, and right in the other side we're going to put that one in there. And then we could either hold it with two rods, or we could hold it just with our fingers. It doesn't really matter. And we can just tighten her on down. Actually, it's going to perform a lot better if you leave them up. The airflow hits them better. They're going to be closer to that drip tip, kind of like the dead rabbit, actually. I like how this thing performs because it's kind of like the dead rabbit and the Bonza in one with the golem clamps, right? Now we can just straighten these coils out. Like so, and there we are. And it's going to fit some pretty big coils in there as well. I just wanted to show normal coils, what you would do. Alright, we can throw the top cap right on there, and the airflow is going to line up right near them coils there. Alright, so that's a quick little install in the Flatline RDA by Vitality Mods. Hope this helped. Check out my YouTube channel for more on this and other things such as coil builds and things like that. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like.